Hello everyone, welcome to Molla Academy and I am Abir. Today in this video I will show you how to set up Facebook pixel on your ClickFunnels. Facebook pixel is very important. Through Facebook pixel we can track our customers activities and we can generate more sales by using Facebook ads. So without further delay, let's get started. First we need to have a Facebook account. Login through which account we will create the pixel. Next we need go to event manager here, and as you can see here is my event manager, and this is a event manager link facebook.com/event manager 2. I will give the direct link of event manager in the description box. After the event manager comes, we will expand from below, and we can see here connect the data source, overview data source. After clicking the data source, and here a pop-up will appear from here, and as you can see here is some option. We need to go to web, click here and click here connect. After connect we can see here from pixel name, we will give our pixel name here. I give my pixel name here Molla Academy, and after giving pixel name we click on create pixel. After creating pixel we go to data source. From here overview under data source. From overview, after coming to data source, here we can see our desired pixel name and we can see our pixel id. Here is my pixel name and here is my pixel id. After arriving at a data source we will see a pop-up, and as you can see here is a pop-up connect to website activities using pixel. Manually at pixel code to website, just click here install code manually, and this is a install base code pixel code. Copy to code and go to your ClickFunnels. I have already logged in my ClickFunnels. Go to ClickFunnels funnels, and this is my funnel. I want to install pixel on this funnel. Click your funnel. My funnel name is my first funnel, and as you can see here is your funnel steps. This is a main page. Now I am going to main page, edit page, click here, and here is my funnel. This is the editor option, and as you can see here is setting option and go to tracking code, and this is header code. Paste the base code pixel code here, and as you can see here is our pixel code. This is our pixel id. This is our page view, all page view track event, and as you can see here is non-script non-script image height and non-script close. This don't not know this code, non-script code. For the reason this is for alt browser, but we are using latest browser and our customer using latest browser. Don't know this code. Just I am removing and just script, open script and end script, and as you can see here is click any blank space, just go to save. Okay, before we are preview our funnel, our pixel, and as you can see here is no pixel installed, and just save and reload our page. And as you can see here is our pixel installed successfully. This is our pixel name Molla Academy, and this is our pixel id 1049, and our page view is now working. And just go to our pixel manager and continue turn on automatically advanced. This is very important, and continue and go to pixel overview. And as you can see, here is our pixel dashboard. Now we are checking our pixel working or not. Just copy your funnel, sorry, exit, open your funnel, visit funnel URL, and copy to your funnel URL. And as you can see, it automatically detect our page, and it's not, if not showing it, we are manually just paste your funnel URL and open website and visit any do activities. Just I'm reloading, and as you can see, here is our sequence 1717. This is our 17 pixel. Here I have been installed on this is our pixel code, and this is successfully installed our pixel. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.